Uh, yeah.
Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video I will show you 3 best instant pot. So let's get started. The first one is of Amazon's choice. I have checked the customer rating by features too. So this one is the best one. So the first one is Instant Pot Pro 10 in 1. It means it will work as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice grain cooker, steamer, saute, sauce white, yogurt maker, sterilizer and warmer. You will get 3 sizes such as 6 quarts, 8 and 3. You will also get customizable cooking programs that include 28 program settings. Other than that, you will also get 11 proven safety features like overheat protection, safe locking, gentle steam release with diffusing cover to reduce noise. Isn't that the best product? So the second best instant pot is Quart's 11-in-1 air fryer and electric pressure cooker combo with a multi-cooker lid that consists of 11-in-1 functionality such as air fryer, bake, dehydrate, pressure cooker, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, saute pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and food warmer. And it also comes with a cookbook with 1300 recipes. You will also have 11 customizable smart programs. It is perfect for large families and cook for up to 8 people. It also includes accessories such as broil and dehydrated tray, air fryer basket base, steam rack, air fryer lid, pressure cooker lid, and stainless steel inner pot. Isn't that good? Last but not least, the third one is Instant Vortex Plus 6 Quart Air Fryer. I have chosen this one after reviewing customer rate globally. So it consists 6-in-1 functionality such as air fryer, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake and reheat. It consists of one-touch smart programs that deliver all the crunch and tenderness of deep frying with 95% less oil. The best thing is that the touchscreen shows each stage of cooking. It consists easy cleanup, fast preheating, proper size that holds enough food for growing families. I hope you like my video. If you want to purchase any instant pot, click on the link given below in the description. Thanks for watching.